All right, we're going to jump on the viral bandwagon today. The croissant loaf that's going crazy on the internet. People are making loaves of bread out of 2 packages of Pillsbury croissant rolls. But we're going to do a little different. We're going to kick it up a notch, as Emerald would say, and we're going to make a garlic loaf. That's right. So we got our loaf pan here. We're going to hit it with a little non-stick spray just to help everything come out easier. And we're going to take our first croissant, take it out of the package, and we're going to roll it out nice and flat. Just get the seam there. Careful not to tear it. There we go. Now we'll just roll it out. Any pieces that open up like that, just kind of squeeze them together again, and they'll go back in. Now I bought some garlic butter spread at the store. I was actually looking for that Lowry's garlic spread, but when I got it, it was already expired at the store, the whole package. So I had to go with their brand, which is still okay. But we're just gonna take our little brush there, and we're gonna put a nice thin coating across the entire piece of dough there, just like that. Next, we're going to come back with whole milk, shredded mozzarella cheese. And we're going to put that over the entire loaf as well. Just like this. This is super simple, super easy. And it's a good little gimmick for if you're having a, family Italian dinner. Instead of making garlic bread, you put this out there. And I think everybody's going to enjoy it. It's, like I said, it's kind of gimmicky, kind of fun. I wouldn't do it regularly, that's for sure. But I would try it for sure. It definitely has a lot of flavors. So now we're coming back with fresh chopped Italian parsley. And put that on there. Then we're just going to spin this board around. And we're going to roll it up back the way it was when it came out of the container. But as I'm rolling it, I'm tucking in the sides so we don't have too much leakage when we bake. There we go. And we'll put that right in the pan. And then we'll do the other one. So you'll see here in a second. While I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends and family about the show. We're doing pretty good. Thanks to y'all. New show every Wednesday and Sunday. So hit that bell, hit that like button. And if you could possibly hype or leave a comment, that would be awesome. That helps with the YouTube algorithm, I'm told. But it's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing these. So we've got the other one done. Now this is the part that's really going to kick it up even better. We're going to egg wash the tops. And then we're going to come back with flaky salt. If you don't have flaky salt, you can use kosher. But if you got flaky, that's the best. And that's going to make that top almost taste like a pretzel. But then when you bite into it, you get the melted mozzarella cheese and the garlic butter. So we're really loading this guy up with flavors, I'm telling you. So I got my oven at 375 degrees. We're going to pop that in there for 30 minutes. And then we'll take it out after 30 minutes. We're going to cover with the top with aluminum foil because you'll see here it's got pretty brown, which is what we wanted for the pretzel part. Look at that. Oh, yeah. So we'll cover that with foil, pop it back in for another 10 minutes, then put it on a rack, let it rest, and you've got delicious Viral Croissant Loaf Garlic Pretzel Loafy Bread. I think I got it all in there. Anyways, make this. You like it? The kids will definitely love it. And we'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you all.
It's Viral Croissant Loaf time, but Buzz cooks is kicking it up a notch and turning it into a butter garlic pretzel loaf loaded with mozzarella cheese. Oh yeah, baby, this one is the bomb, so let's get cooking. You're gonna need 2 packages of croissant dough, fresh chopped Italian parsley, garlic butter spread, shredded mozzarella cheese, an egg wash, and some flaky salt. Unroll that dough onto your board and brush on a generous layer of garlic butter spread. Now come back with that mozzarella cheese and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Roll it back up nice and tight and place it into a greased non-stick loaf pan. Repeat with the second roll and place it right beside the first one. Now brush the tops with that egg wash, and here comes the magic, flaky salt right on top. Oh, that's gonna be good. Hop it into the firebox at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Then cover the top loosely with foil and bake another 10 minutes until it's golden brown and beautiful. Pull it out and let it rest on a cooling rack. Give that loaf a chance to relax and let all those buttery, garlicky flavors come together. Once it's cool, slice it up, serve it up, and watch everybody smile with delight. And remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, click that thumbs up, and don't forget, keep cooking.